All right, I'm going to show you how to make the Gravit 5 assignment. First step, draw a text box, make it go all the way across. You can say whatever you want that's school appropriate. I'm saying I'm looking forward to the rainy season. And then I want you to choose the ellipse tool. Hold down the shift key so you have a circle. Do a nice big circle. Turn off the fill. Turn on the border so we don't lose sight of the circle. And then shift click on the text. So now we have the circle and the text selected. You go over to modify, down to path, and say attach text to path. Boop. So now the text is curvy. Click on just the text and see there's a little handle over here. If you click on this, you can use it to move the text around. I want it to be nice and balanced, centered on the top, like this. When you get it like that, I want you to turn the text to a path. Click on this button right here. And now we can delete the circle. The circle, we needed the circle there until the text was a path. But now that it's a path, we're all good. And then I want you to go up near the top of your document and do a circle and make a copy of it 7 times. I'm doing Control D, but you can come over here and say duplicate if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 7 copies. I'm going to drag one over here to the far side. And I want you to select all of them. Right now we have 7 of them over here, sitting on top of that one, and 1 over there. And then we're going to use this tool right here. It's distribute horizontally. We'll do this. It'll move them all the way across, kind of evenly. And then we're going to use this button here, which is align middle, which makes everything lined up. So that's a neat way to spread some things out. I wanted you to see how that worked and see where these align tools were. Then I would like you to make a rectangle. Hey, I know I'm going fast, so just pause me and back me up if you need to. Make a rectangle and make 7 copies of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drag one of them down here. Select all the rectangles and choose distribute vertically. That lines them up that way. And then do like either center or left, somehow get those things lined up. And then I'm going to move the curvy thing up here. Let me do Control 0 to get, back zoomed out. Next, I'd like you to make a polygon, just a nice big polygon. And then I want you to make another ellipse, kind of big like that. Select both of them, and I want you to use the path subtract tool. It's under this option right here. Boop. Take a big chunk out of there. I'm giving you sound effects today. And then I want you to draw a small circle and put it over the polygon, and then zoom in so you can do this. You can hold down the Alt key, or if you're on a Mac, you can do the Option key. And just every time you drag, it makes another copy. We're trying to make a series of these small circles just right along the edge of where the big circle took off part of that thing. Let's select all those things. Let's turn off the fill, turn on the border, just so we can see what's going on. And then we're going to do path subtract and see it. Now it looks a little bit more like somebody bit part of the polygon away. And on mine, I did a select all. I got rid of all the fill, and I turned on the borders, and I changed the borders to a different color, just for fun. And it's not critical. This one has 2 borders, so if we delete the black one, then we'll just have the orange one. And then save it, and let's call it Gravit 5, and with your name is nice. Save it in the cloud, and then you get a share link, and we're going to be turning that in. There we go. After it saves, you can, it's still saving. After it's all saved, then you can do the share link. You click share and say copy, and then that's the thing you want to turn in on the Google Classroom. All right, I hope that helps you get it done.